Hi, what we're going to be doing is finding the value of x. How long is this piece? And again, what I'm going to do is, I can show you the rule and say, okay, 2x equals 4 times 5, and of course 20 equals 2x, and x equals 10. But that's teaching you a rule, and in my humble opinion, that stinks. What I want to do is have you understand the rules. Let's look at what we have first, and then we'll come up with the generic rule. Okay, so let's look at this again. If I want, I can say that this angle and this angle are congruent. We can see that right here. And we also know that this angle is equal to this angle because of vertical angles. And of course, we have this angle is congruent to this angle. So let's look at what we have right now. We have two triangles. Though not congruent, they are similar by angle, angle, angle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to redraw the picture strictly for understanding. And let's look at this. Opposite this piece was an x, and opposite the double was a 5. Opposite this piece was a 4. Opposite the double was a 2. And this is the way I set it up, at least until we learn and understand it. We're going to set up a proportion. Opposite this one is an x. Opposite the double was a 5. Opposite this piece was a 4. Opposite the double was a 2. And by cross multiplication, we have 2x is equal to 4 times 5. 2x equals 20. X equals 10. Let's do it again. This time I'm going to put all the letters A, B, C, D. Okay? So let's look if there's a rule that we can work with every single time. Okay. A, B, C, D. I'm going to have that and that equal. If you wanted to draw triangles this way also, you can. I'm going to have this and this equal, and this piece and this piece equal. So now I have, again, two triangles that are similar to each other. And I'm just going to draw the triangle out. And the only reason I draw the triangle out is strictly for understanding. As a teacher, I still do this way for all my students nearly all the time instead of going through all the rules. Opposite the 2 is an A. Opposite the 1 was a C. Opposite the 2 was a D. Opposite the 1 was a B. And if I set it up, opposite the 1 over opposite the 2, opposite the 1 is a C, the 2 is A, opposite the 1 is a B, D. By cross multiplication, we ultimately have AB is equal to CD. Well, let's look what I have now. This times this is equal to this times this. And if that's the case, let's do a simple 5-second example. Now that we have a rule, if this is 8 and this is 2 and this is 4, what is this? Well, 8 times 2 equals 4x, 16 equals 4x, x is equal to 4. So this piece would be 4. And that's it. Thank you.